Welcome to Luscombe Suzuki Leeds, and thank you for watching this walk around video on our Suzuki Vitara, finished in superior white. It is the SZ4 automatic version. Rear parking camera there. Makes it really nice and easy to navigate into them tight parking spaces at the supermarkets. Rear privacy glass. Been very well cared for as this particular vehicle by one of our previous customers. Seats and upholstery is absolutely immaculate. Has only done 14,000 miles from new. Has all the mod cons with your cruise control and speed limiter and your Bluetooth controls. You also got your climate control settings there and your 7-inch display, which couples up as your reversing camera and your satellite navigation. You can also plug in your mobile phone in the USB port, which will allow you to have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All our vehicles come fully serviced and with a 12-month MOT. If you'd like any further information, please do give us a call on 01132 712 288 and ask for Sean. Thank you.